Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video on this channel of Jonathan Ryerson Elevator, so I figured I would show you all the devices in my fire alarm collection. So I would like to get started for you guys, so let's actually get started. Because this is all the stuff that I collected over the years, and I know I didn't lay my chime strobe out. I know that. I just put that away in storage because it's broken, and except my broken Spectre Alert Advance right there. So let's take a look at all these devices, shall we? Alright, so first things first, we have my Cerberus Pyrotronics MTS75-F. Yep, that's the model number. And these are very cool devices. This one does not have the magnifier. This one does not. And this one is a Faraday. Oh, this one has the magnifier on the strobe right here. This one is a Faraday 624W-AV. Isn't that right? What's the model number? Okay, 624W-AV. Yep, that's it. That's the model number. This is my Wheelock EHDL1 WM24 horn strobe. Pretty old Wheelock device. It looks like a lot like the Wheelock EHSDL1, pretty much. And this one's actually pretty neat. This is my Wheelock WMT-24-FR remote strobe. 24 volts DC. It's a 2-wire only fire alarm. And right here we have my Wheelock 7002T-12 horn strobe. This was tested in Fire Alarm Test 21, back on my other channel. It's pretty nice. And I don't even know what that red thing is right there. Probably a resistor or something, I don't know. I know you got your coil and your transformer. Here is your label. Very awesome alarm. Very, very nice. It's mechanical. Makes that goofy strobe skipping. Up next we have my Edwards Integrity horn strobe right here. 4-wire device. It's a 757-7A-T indoor temporal horn strobe. It's a nice, yeah, I cleaned most of the paint off of it, so it still works even though it's a really nice alarm. It's really loud. It's a loud alarm from Edwards. Next up we have my System Sensor SCW Ceiling Mount Spectre Alert Advance remote strobe. Very cool. Very cool alarm, surprisingly. And up next we have my System Sensor PC2W Ceiling Mount Spectre Alert Advance horn strobe. Very, very loud alarm. Painfully loud. And right here we have my System Sensor Spectre Alert Advance P2R. This is my working one. This one works, and this one was brand new when I bought it last year. It was brand new. So, also came with the mounting bracket. Very, very loud horn strobe too. And next up, we have a very, very oddball device right here. So, I just got this one tonight. It finally arrived. This is my System Sensor Spectre Alert Advance SR strobe. It's a Spectre Alert Advance remote strobe SR. So, there you are. System Sensor Spectre Alert Advance SR. And right here, this is actually pretty rare, but this one's got a black mechanical horn strobe. This one's black. This one over here, this one over there is gray. This one's got a black horn. This is a Faraday. This is not an FOS. This is actually a Faraday 6120 horn strobe / 5512 with a 5512 strobe on it. And the strobe is 2.0 candela, which makes it really bright. It's a pretty rare alarm. It's mechanical. Here's the back of it. Here's your pigtail connectors. Yeah, the pigtail connectors are not hooked up. They're not hooked up. So, that's one of my rare devices. And right here we have my Wheelock ZRS MCW. Yep, there it is, ZRS MCW. Right here. Has the mounting bracket that's white. And this one is a Wheelock ZNS MCW horn strobe. Yeah, the model number's right in there. Yep, this is a ZNS horn strobe. And that's my Wheelock remote strobe. This is my System Sensor SS12LO outdoor System Sensor mass remote strobe, non-ADA compliant. It's got the non-ADA strobe on the front. Very cool. This was tested back in Fire Alarm Test 9. Here's my broken, this one's broken, my System Sensor Spectre Alert Advance P2R. This one's broken. That's too bad, but I'll probably get a second working one day. This one is actually another rare device. Here's my Wheelock Wheelock EHEL1WH24WI 4-wire. It's a 4-wire device, so it's a ceiling mount device, by the way. So, there you go. And right here we have my Gentex Commander 4 multi-tone horn strobe. It's a ceiling mount device, by the way. So, there you go. That was back in Fire Alarm Test 6. Right here we have my EST Genesis horn strobe G1RF-HDVM horn strobe. The camera doesn't feel like focus on that. Okay. Next up we have my EST Genesis remote strobe G1RF-VM remote strobe. So I got both of the red versions of the horn strobe remote strobe. And right here is my Siemens HFP-11 photoelectric addressable smoke detector. It's got the photoelectric head. This was pulled out of a business. My uncle gave this to me. Very cool smoke detector, by the way. This was my first pull station that my father got me. This is my Simplex. I think it's a 425120. I don't know if it was addressable or conventional. the module's been taken off, and it can pull down, but the handle can snap back up. Okay, on to the older system sensor stuff. I have 7 system sensor Spectre Alert Classics. I got 4 that mount on the wall, and I got 3 that mount on the ceiling. So, let's look at them. So right here we have my system sensor, S1224MC. It's a multi-candela remote strobe, and the camera focused on it right away. I'm surprised. That's really neat. So this is the only multi-candela classic I have. The Spectre Alert Advanced remote strobe, which I have over here, it's also multi-candela too. See? It's multi-candela as well. And up next we have my system sensor P121575 horn strobe with the 1575 candela strobe. And the focused right away. Cool. Alright. There's the model number P121575, and the strobe is 1575 candela. It says down there. And up next we have, this alarm didn't came with jumpers, so I had to put some jumpers on there, by the way. This one is my P2475 with a 75 candela strobe, and this is one of the very first alarms that I ever got. This is the very first alarm that I ever got when I first started collecting these things back in 2016. It's got a 75 candela strobe, and this one you haven't seen being tested. And yes, it does work, guys. I have tested it and tried it out. So this one is my P2410 horn strobe right here. And the strobe on this one is 110 candela. You may not see with the light, but the fire lettering is a little bit faded, but that's okay. It's still in pretty good condition. And up next we have my PC24 115, and the strobe is 115 candela. Very cool alarm. That's really cool. That was very nice alarm. And this one is a PC 241575W, in it's a ceiling mount in white. And last but not least, this is a very oddball device right here. With this, the strobe is 1575 candela too, on just like that one. This is the SC241575W. So I was the first YouTube user to get a hold of one of these. I think that's really new experience for me. It's kind of like this one right here. It's kind of like this one, but this one's advanced version, but this one is the classic version. Okay, I think that is all. Now I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and thank you very much for watching my fire alarm collection video for this channel, and I will see you guys real soon. Have a great day.